Hi, I'm Bob Farkley, part of the Hifn BitWackr team in San Diego, California. And today I'd like to spend a few moments demonstrating to you the data reduction capability and performance of the Hifn BitWackr, our data deduplication and compression solution for Windows servers. Next thing I'd like to do is give you an idea of the data reduction that was performed by the BitWackr. And in order to do that, we'll go back to the Capacity tab on the BitWackr graphical user interface. I'll press refresh, and what it's telling me here is that during these transfers, we moved some 37 gigabytes of data in total, and we saved, of those 37 gigabytes, 28 gigabytes, or 76%. So that's a very significant data reduction ratio. We can look at it in a little bit more detail and in a couple of different ways. We have a command that we use to do analysis and diagnostics that's called view. And view gives us information about what happened as the data moved and how the data reduction is composed of compression and deduplication. It's a little bit difficult to look at the raw data. So what I've done is I've added to that an Excel spreadsheet that'll help us analyze the data reduction the BitWackr produced during the first part of the demonstration. We started by copying 37 gigabytes from the data source to a BitWackr data reduced volume and saw those 37 gigabytes become just 9 gigabytes. Of the reduction in capacity required to store the copied data, 19 gigabytes were due to deduplication, and 9 gigabytes were due to data compression. If we convert the 37 gigabytes and the 9 gigabytes to fractions, we start out with 100% of the data being reduced to just 24% of its original size. Of the data that was reduced, 67% was reduced by deduplication, and 33% was reduced by compression. Now, this is pretty typical of what we've seen in a lot of business and commercial data that we've analyzed. This roughly 2/3, 1/3 relationship exists fairly broadly. So now we've seen the BitWackr deduplication and compression performance and its data integrity, and we've now wrapped up with an analysis of the BitWackr's data reduction effectiveness. Thank you for your time and attention.